Swim, walk, paddle with Nick and Alexander. It's F-U-N and it never gets old. Swim in the pool, in the river, in the ocean. Walk in the bush, don't worry if it's hot, and don't worry if it's cold. Swim, walk, paddle with Nick and Alexander. Paddle up and down in the rivers and the creeks. Swim, walk, paddle with Nick and Alexander. It's F-U-N, even if we're getting old.
So recently Alexander and I got our PADI Open Water Divers licenses, so there'll be heaps more diving videos coming up. So this late April dive was from Shelly Beach near Manly. And this area is also called Cabbage Tree Aquatic Reserve. So of course diving that day is Alexander. And me, and we went out with Pete and Seth from Frogdivewilloughby. That's Pete and that's Alexander. This was our first dive out. There was a bit of push-pull current under the water, but it was pretty okay. And then we came to the famous motorbike that's on the right-hand side of Shelly Beach when you dive out. The big blue groper at Shelly Beach are so gorgeous. There's a couple of them that swim around. They're like Labradors under the sea. This is a big catfish ball. That's all catfish swimming around together there. But then Alexander was tugging on my flipper at the back because he wanted to show me the cuttlefish that was down here. Another cuttlefish coming up. It just takes you a minute to be able to recognize where he is. octopus hiding under that rock. End of the first dive, and of course I forgot to take my new red filter off because it was the first time I'd taken the GoPro diving, so it's got a red filter for underwater. This was the second dive of the morning, and the first thing was we were inside a big school of fish. Just down here underneath the rock is a very good looking stonefish. Despite his little face, he looks so grumpy that we found him. He's also highly venomous, so never ever go really near it. These dives were on a Sunday, and it had rained the entire week before, so we weren't sure what it was going to be like, but it was actually really good. Even, visibility was about, four or so meters, but it was still fantastic. I was surprised how lovely it was under the water, having seen the weather the week before. This wobbegong coming out of the distance did give me a little bit of a start at first. Very beautiful. I think it was about as big as me. And then I give him a little indication, go the other way.
Paddle with Nick and Alexander. It's FUN, so come on, let's go!